in to the first 4 lumbar vertebra. That's one of the first spots I like to go, that transition area of the spine, see what's going on. It tells me a lot. Look to the right.
Oh yeah, that was fucking awesome. Woo. Oh yeah. Woo. Starting to feel relaxed already. Oh. Holy shit.
Hang that head back just a little bit for me. There we go.
Yeah. Damn, this is good.
I was hoping I'd be better in person than on a video. Yeah.
Way better.
You can feel the tightness and then how it releases it.
Yeah, for sure. Locally, when you make an adjustment, you get a lot of positive reflexive changes at the level you adjust. That's where a lot of